This tutorial is to demonstrate the various stitches used in the Charlotte Cowl from Expression Fiber Arts, specifically for the crochet along that's being run on Ravelry right now. I'm going to be demonstrating how to work the front post half double crochet, the back post half double crochet, the single crochet knit stitch, which is also known as the waistcoat stitch, and how to carry your yarn for the color work. I do have just a very small swatch here, but because it's going to take me some time to get around each round and I don't really have editing capability, I'm going to put in the video description timestamps so you can just jump to the part of the video that you're interested in watching and not have to watch me do this whole thing. So let's start with the front post and back post half double crochet. And I apologize, I'm primarily a knitter, just so you know. It's the language that trips me up, so I will do my best to speak clearly, but I might mess up a little bit. So to begin this round, what you start with a chain one, sorry. And before I work these stitches, I just wanted to kind of point out the stitch anatomy. So normally when you work a stitch, let's say you're working a half double crochet, you're going to put your hook in through these horizontal bars that are at the top of the stitch. All right, that's where you would normally work a stitch. When you're working a front or back post half double crochet, or any front post or back post stitch, you're actually working around these posts that are vertical, that go up and down, either from going in from the front around the back and pushing that post forward, or going in with your hook from the back around the front and pushing that post to the back when you're making these stitches. And so when you look at your stitch anatomy, you're always bringing the hook from the right side of the post, either in from the front to the back or in from the back to the front, okay? So to work the front post half double crochet, yarn over, bring your hook from the front on the right side of the post. Actually, I'm going to start with the, it's a good thing I have a beginning of round marker, because otherwise I might start in the wrong place. All right, so I'm going to go in the to the right side of that post from the front to the back. And I'm going to just use the side of my hook to push that post forward to bring my hook back out from the back to the front. Yarn over, and I'm going to pull the yarn all the way through behind that post to the front, and then yarn over and pull through 3. And that's my front post half double crochet. And then the back post half double crochet is worked the opposite direction. So once you do that yarn over, you want to make sure that your hook is pushing down on the yarn. You don't want to end up going behind the yarn because you'll lose that loop. So make sure you're pushing the yarn down, coming behind the work from the back to the front on the right side of, now I'm on this post right here. So from the back to the front, around the front of that post to the back. So you just kind of use your hook to push that back. Yarn over and pull all the way through that space, and then yarn over, pull through 3, and that's the back post half double crochet. All right, so I'll demonstrate both of those a couple more times. So front post half double crochet, yarn over, hook goes from the front to the back on the right side of the post, around the back of the post to the front, yarn over and pull through that whole space, yarn over, pull through 3. Back post, yarn over, bring the hook behind the work, around the back side, so kind of over the top and to the front around the right side of the post, and then push the post to the back, bring the hook back out the back, yarn over, pull through that entire space, and then yarn over, pull through 3. I wish I had a cute little ditty for you to kind of remember, but the best I can do is, so yarn over for the front post, in through the front, around the back, out through the front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. Back post, in from the back to the front, around the front to the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. Front post, yarn over, from the front to the back, around the back, out the front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. Back post, from the back, hook from the back to the front, around the front to the back, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. All right, so I'm just going to continue working those all the way around and pick it up at the next section.